Let's break down everything that comes in the SIMPLE.C10 Air Ride Kit. It comes with two X Series compressors. This is a new design. It looks awesome. Both of those compressors are going to come with the isolating feet that keep down the noise and the vibration. And from the compressor to the tank, you're going to get these water traps. These are heavy duty water traps. They look awesome. But the holy grail of them all is the Airlift 3P system. This is going to allow you to control your air ride with a push of a button. It's as simple as plugging in 4 air lines to your bags, one to the tank and one's an exit. With those, you're going to get a dual compressor harness, and these are already wired up with the relays and everything. You just plug it in, run a few lines up to your battery. Kit also comes with a ton of fittings, 90 fittings for the bags. It's going to come with all the fittings for the tank and your water traps and all that. You're going to get two 2600 bags, two 2500 bags, and then you've got a long line of airline right there. This kit is everything that you're going to need to install an air management system on your truck.